everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Continuing on with our Easter week celebration, I give you pineapple bake. This is a really delicious recipe that I grew up eating. It is directly from my mother's recipe box, and even though we did a video of this many years ago, we decided to update it for you today because it's just as delicious now as it was then, as it was when I was a child. So let's go see how this all comes together. Today we're gonna make pineapple bake. I did a video of this 9 years ago and it's time to redo it. Pineapple bake is a family favorite. Once again, perfect for your Easter table, and in our effort to bring you budget-friendly Easter dishes that you can put before your family without spending a ton of money this year, I decided that we were gonna remake a couple of our old family favorites. Even though we made them so many years ago, it's always good to update them and make a better video for you guys. Pineapple bake is a family favorite. My mom made it while she was alive as long as I can remember, ever since I was a really small kid. This is just a really delicious custardy bake with bread and eggs, crushed pineapple, and mini marshmallows. It's super delicious and it goes great next to roasted ham. And we used to have this every single Easter without fail. Sometimes she would make it special for a potluck or something we were going to, but that's really the extent of it. It really could substitute as a dessert or even a brunch item. It's fabulous for brunch. It's kind of like a French toast bake, only with pineapple in it. And there are a lot of directions you can go with this. I'm gonna just make you one single recipe. My mom always did a double and made it in a 9x13 pan. But what you're gonna need is 4 cups of either white bread, or in this case, I had some brioche hamburger buns left over, so I just cubed them up and until I had 4 cups worth. You need 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. You don't have to squeeze it dry. In my old video, I told you to take all the liquid out, but there's really not that much liquid in here, and if you take all the liquid away, you lose a lot of the pineapple-y flavor. So I'm gonna just tell you to drain off what comes out before you take the lid off and just tip it over the sink or into a cup and enjoy that. About 1/4 cup comes out, and then just leave it like that. You're gonna need a stick of butter, or a 1/2 cup melted, 4 eggs, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and then everybody's favorite, mini marshmallows. This is 2 cups worth. So I'm just gonna start building this. I'm gonna move my pan of bread off to the side because we're gonna actually take care of those in just a minute. So what you wanna do is crack your eggs into a bowl. And just give them a little bit of a whisk. Now I'm gonna add my granulated sugar. I'm gonna add the pineapple. Get that blended in there really well. All right, go ahead and add your butter in there as well. And now we're gonna pop all the bread in here. Give it a good stir. And just like French toast, you kind of want that bread to get in there and soak up all that delicious custard that you've made. Even though there's no milk here, it's still custard because we've added liquid to eggs, and it's gonna be fabulous. I'm really looking forward to this. We haven't had this in a long time. For those of you who might not know, my mother passed away on Valentine's Day, and so I'm kind of revisiting a lot of the things that she used to make growing up. I'm gonna add in all of the marshmallows now, and you can just give that a good stir as well. And into our pan, I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a quick spray with some coconut oil, and I'm going to pour our custardy mixture into the pan. Let's get it all in there. Spread it out evenly. We're gonna bake this in a 350 oven for about 40 minutes or until it's nice and brown and toasty and everything is set up. I'll bring you back when it's ready to enjoy. Well, there you have it. Our pineapple bake has baked all the way. It took 40 minutes. I allowed it to cool on top of the stove for just about 10 minutes before we cut into it, and it is absolutely perfect. Are you ready to taste this?
I have to.
Okay. It's beautiful. It's moist and eggy, and this is good warm. It's good at room temperature, and I just really highly recommend that you eat it. It's really, really good. You see, when you, the marshmallows, they kind of melt into it and they leave these craggy areas on it, and they get a little crispy and they get a little sticky. It's so delicious. It is a happy memory for me. And I know that you are going to love it because it will be a happy memory for you too. I don't know where this recipe came from, other than my mom. I'm pretty sure she got it from someone she knew. In fact, I think it may have come out of an old church cookbook.
I was going to say that.
This is like old church cookbook material right here. It's perfect in every way. It will keep people coming back for more. That is how you make the pineapple bake of my childhood. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen and you just wandered on over, maybe looking for Easter dinner ideas, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Be sure and hit the subscribe button. And if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a notification on your smart device or a message in your email inbox every time we upload a new video. Because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. Please put this pineapple bake on your Easter menu. You will be happy that you did. I hope you give it a try and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.